All right, this is our MEP805B 30 kW military John Deere driven turbo diesel generator. And we're gonna just do a quick startup video here. You can see the controls with the computer screen. Only have 271 hours, almost 272 hours on this. And we're just gonna do a quick startup. We'll do a load test video later. So master control on, panel lights on. Gotta let the computer stuff load here. It takes just a second. Always remember to hit your fault reset before you start it after the computer program loads. And we do have a light hooked up here. We're just going to do a quick demo. You can see those lights are on. And here our software is loading. We've changed the oil, we've changed some filters, new fuel sending switch. Let's go ahead and hit that fault reset. And now we're going to start it up. You can see the full color display. See everything's 60 hertz, 210. Now you can adjust that. And go to this other display real quick. And you can see everything looks good. The water temp's going to go up. Battery's charging, our oil pressure is good, and on our Delta we're putting out 121. This is a tactical quiet unit. It's not whisper watt, but you can tell it is pretty quiet. Again, we've got a little light here plugged up to the convenience receptacles just for a quick demo that we are outputting power. And getting that full color display. Great, clean, good running generator here. And we did a walk around video earlier, and also going to do a load test video. Thank you.